OpenClaude V0.4 update is insane. You've been locked into one AI model when you could be using any model you want. You've been working in a terminal when you could be working inside your code editor. You're missing out on something big. And after this video, you won't be anymore. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people actually learn and use AI tools to work faster and smarter. Today, we're talking about OpenClaude V0.4, and this update is genuinely insane. I'm going to break down exactly what dropped, what it means for you, how it compares to other tools out there, and some practical ways you can actually use it. Stay until the end because I've got tips that will save you a lot of setup headaches. Let's get into it. What even is OpenClaude? If you're new to this, here's the fast version. Back in March 2026, the source code behind Anthropic's Claude Code tool became publicly accessible through an NPM source map exposure. Developers took that code, built on top of it, and OpenClaude was born. OpenClaude is an open source coding agent CLI, command line interface, that opens up the Claude Code architecture to work with over 200 different AI models. Not just Claude, any model that works with the OpenAI compatible API format. GPT-4o, Gemini, DeepSeek, Mistral, Grok, local models, through Ollama, all of it. It has over 22,000 stars on GitHub. This is not a tiny side project. People are paying serious attention. What makes it different is simple. One workflow, any model. You get all the powerful coding agent tools, file editing, bash commands, grep, glob, agents, tasks, MCP support, / commands, powered by whatever model you choose. Now, V0.4 just dropped on April 17th, 2026, and the updates are significant. Let me walk you through them. What's new in OpenClaude V0.4? 3 headline features, plus a round of fixes that make the tool more stable. Number 1, full VS Code chat interface. This is the big one. The OpenClaude VS Code extension now has a full chat interface built directly into it. Before this, the extension was basically a launcher. It helped you start OpenClaude, but you were still working through the terminal. Now you get a proper chat UI inside your editor. You stay in VS Code, you work with your AI, no bouncing between windows. Number 2, RipGrep for faster file searching. RipGrep is a fast file search tool, well established in the developer community for being significantly quicker than traditional grep when searching through code. Version 0.4 adds RipGrep to the Docker file, which means file searching inside OpenClaude is now faster. On large code bases, that difference is noticeable. Number 3, new providers, Alibaba and NVIDIA. 2 new provider integrations in this release. Alibaba's Dash Scope, which powers their Qwen model family, is now supported, and NVIDIA NIM, NVIDIA's inference microservices platform, is now supported too, along with Minimax. More choices means you can match the right model to the right task. The creator of OpenClaude, GitLab, also confirmed it's already running on XAI's Grok model out of the box. Bug fixes worth knowing. V0.4 ships several stability fixes, better API failure classification for OpenAI compatible providers, so error messages are clearer. A crash fix for the models command when saved model values aren't in the expected format. A crash fix in the commands tab when a description is undefined, and the startup screen now shows the correct endpoint URL for custom Anthropic endpoints. Not flashy, but this is what makes a tool reliable instead of frustrating. The old way versus now. Before tools. Like OpenClaude, if you wanted a proper AI coding agent, you were choosing between official subscriptions and staying inside whatever model family those tools supported. Switching wasn't easy. You were locked in. With OpenClaude, that changes. You point it at whatever model you want. You can run local models through Ollama on your own machine. You can switch providers in seconds. And now with V0.4, all of that works through a full chat interface inside VS Code. When I first started exploring open source AI tools like this, it was overwhelming. So many providers, so many models, so many configurations. I didn't know which ones were worth learning versus which ones were just noise. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations, which workflows actually save time versus which ones waste it. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. How it compares to other tools. Let's be direct. Claude Code from Anthropic. The official tool, polished and well supported, uses Claude models. OpenClaude is built on the same architecture, but opens it up to any provider. The trade-off is that OpenClaude requires more setup, and behavior can vary across different models. GitHub Copilot, deeply integrated into VS Code, strong autocomplete, large user base, mostly within the Microsoft and OpenAI ecosystem. OpenClaude gives you more flexibility over which model you're running. Cursor, a popular AI native code editor with good features, but you're working inside one product built around it. OpenClaude plugs into your existing VS Code setup. Ada, another open source coding agent with a similar philosophy. OpenClaude is built on the Claude Code architecture, which has strong built-in tool use and agent capabilities. The honest answer, OpenClaude is the right fit if you want flexibility and don't want to be locked into one provider. It takes more setup than a subscription tool, but the control you get in return is significant. Ways you can use OpenClaude. Here's how OpenClaude's verified capabilities translate into practical workflows. Because it can read, write, and edit files directly, not just chat. You can point it at a file and ask it to review for bugs, then have it apply fixes. You can ask it to generate tests for a specific function based on the actual code it reads. You can ask it to search across a large code base for every reference to a specific function and make updates. And with the RipGrep edition in 0.4, that search step is faster than before. OpenClaude also supports agent routing, where you configure different models to handle different agent types in your workflow. So one model handles planning, another handles code generation. This is built into the settings file and documented in the repo. The repo also has beginner-friendly setup guides for non-technical users, Windows and Mac and Linux, so you don't need to be an advanced developer to get started. Tips to get the most out of 0.4 are a few things worth knowing before you start. Set up provider profiles. OpenClaude has a provider command that walks you through setup and saves your configuration. Set up a saved profile once and load it. Don't configure manually every time. Install RipGrep system-wide. The release notes specifically call this out. If you get a RipGrep not found error, install it separately and confirm ARG version works in your terminal before launching OpenClaude. Start with onboard GitHub. If you're using GitHub models, it's the guided path and beginner-friendly. For any other provider is your starting point. For local models via Ollama, if you have Ollama installed, you can skip the environment variable setup entirely. OpenClaude auto-detects it. Pull a model like Qwen 2.5 Coda 0.7b and it will route through your local instance automatically. Use agent routing. If you're running multiple models, you can configure different agents to use different models in Chas Claude settings.json. There's a working example in the README. The bigger picture. OpenClaude started from a public source code exposure. In a short time, the community built a tool with over 22,000 GitHub stars, 200 plus model support, a VS Code chat interface, RipGrep integration, and new provider support from Alibaba and Nvidia. And this is 0.4. The project is moving fast. If you're building something, learning to code, or looking to work more efficiently with AI tools, OpenClaude is worth exploring, especially now with the VS Code interface, making it much more accessible than it was even a few weeks ago. The GitHub repo link is in the description. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's it for today. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.